Hey everyone, it's Andrew with Oncor. Safety remains Oncor's #1 priority as winter weather conditions continue to impact our service territory. Oncor has more than 10,000 personnel throughout our service territory prepared to respond to outage impacts as soon as it is safe for them to do so. Right now, our crews are at an apartment complex replacing an underground transformer. This is just one of the many repairs occurring throughout our service territory to restore power to our customers as safely and quickly as we possibly can. One of the best things you can do to ensure your safety and that of our employees is that if you encounter our employees working, please give them the space that they need to continue to work safely and efficiently to restore power to our customers. Please also remember that road conditions may still be hazardous and that if you are able to stay home at this time, please do so for your own safety. However, if you must travel at this time, please make sure you go as slowly as you need to safely reach your destination. For more updates about Oncor's response to the ongoing winter storm, visit oncor.com/winterstorm.